Hey guys, this is Anthony Bowe with the Shop Magazine. We're here at the SEMA Show, and before we get going, this video is sponsored by Alliant Insurance Services. They are the official insurance provider at SEMA, and for more information, please go to seiainsurance.com. They provide insurance for auto aftermarket shops. Right now, I'm with Bill Kilpatrick of B&C Auto Restorations. How's it going, Bill?
Great, great. Thanks for having me.
Of course. So, tell me, what have you been up to this week at SEMA?
A lot of walking. Just looking for some not sponsors, but people that I need to buy parts from for our upcoming builds. It's a great opportunity to get with all the suppliers, put a face-to-face on them, get names of who I should talk to or that I might get some free parts from because I put their parts in my build. You got to talk the talk and do the walk,
Right. Tell me a little bit about your shop.
Well, I started out, how far you want me to go back?
Well, where are you located and what do you
Okay.
do?
Well, B&C Auto Restorations, we do complete builds, pro touring cars, hot rod cars, even some drag cars. We're fully insured, bonded, all that good stuff, We're located at 6360 Dean Parkway in Ontario, New York. I have a 10,000 square foot facility for doing the chassis, the body shop, a paint shop. I just put up a new 4,500 square foot building for storage and to bring in customers from out of town to stay. It has it's a 2-bedroom, full living quarters, 1,500 square feet, radiant heat floors. It's all modern, green. I'm doing my best, I want to be different. I want to separate myself from your normal restoration shop.
Right. So I talked to you a few months ago about that. We wrote an article for the newsletter, and you can check that out. But tell me, has anybody come and used that apartment you built?
Yes, yeah, we've had 2 of them already. A customer of mine from Texas, he came up and used it for a night. Then another customer of mine from New York, they came in and spent the night, checked out their vehicle. They were also there the time we have a big party every year, and it just keeps getting bigger, yeah, it's everybody's very happy and comfortable in it,
Right. Why is it important for you to have something like that?
I want to be different. I just don't want to be your normal restoration shop. I'm family oriented. It's the same way with all my customers. I like to know what's going on, just like they like to know what's going on with me because they put their confidence in me and a lot of money, so I want to return some of that,
Right. A question I've been asking other shops this week has to do with hiring technicians and keeping technicians. When it comes to keeping your best techs, what do you do?
That can be a loaded question.
Right.
My guys, I have one tech that's been with me 12 years. I pay pretty good. I try to keep a family orientate. I bow to their needs, not bow, but I give in.
Yeah.
It's tough. It's a tough business. A lot of the guys, and nothing bad about you guys out there looking for work, but they think you can't hire them, or they get out of school, whatever, and they got to make in the $30 to $38 an hour area. Well, that's not going to happen.
Right.
And you got to come in my shop. You got to come in on a lower base, and I'll work you up to what you know. But and I don't have a problem of paying anybody. Just give me what you say you can do.
Right.
It is a tough business, and I find the business going up and down, left to right. I love the business. I've been in business now for 16 years. I keep plugging away. Take one day at a time.
Right. So we're doing this on day 3 of the SEMA Show. Has there anything in particular that has caught your eye over the last few days?
Oh God, there's a lot that's caught my eye here.
Where to start? Right?
Yeah, right. Where to start?
Yeah.
Some of the new paint colors are out of control. Even the builds, the amount of money people are spending on builds has blown me away. I mean, we have a couple big builds going on in the shop right now that I'm hoping that'll make it to the top of the line, because before I go, I want to get there once at least,
Yeah.
And it's the new wheels, the trucks. I'm into trucks big time. It's a huge thing with me.
What kind of tricks?
I like to slam them. I like the older trucks. I got a couple square bodies of myself, and I watched the media of what's going on, what's good, what's bad, and they can be pretty brutal out there,
Right.
Right. But I have fun with it,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you're going back home with a lot of new intel, information, but what's the first priority when you get back from a big event like this?
We have a meeting. It's yeah, it's a good meeting. We all put it out on the table, or I do it first, and then I listen to them what the input, and we'll come up with a plan. I like to take a 6 months look at everything, and we'll get together. I'll tell them what I seen, lay it out there. I'll give them all the cards, brochures, everything. Take them home, look at them if you want, or I even pay them to look at them online, study it. Every one of my guys get a laptop, to look and see what they need to do.
Yeah.
I shouldn't say, wait, let me back that up. Not everybody gets a laptop, but we have two computers they get on, they can use.
Yeah.
And I pay them to do their diligence of looking into what we have to have, what parts.
Mm-hmm.
But me coming here and giving them a card and updating them makes that much faster.
Right. So this is the end of our interview. Is there anything that you'd like to plug or anything you'd like to mention before we end it?
Well, a business, I'm pretty successful. And I take that because of my wife. I'm too damn passionate about it, She's my everything. She's my backbone. She keeps pushing me. So
That's awesome. Well, Bill, thank you so much for visiting us in the booth
thank you, Anthony. It's been a
and
pleasure.
talking with me.